natin dyan, yung mga viewers natin. Siyempre, andito lang. Ate Linsky, thank you so much ulit po. Sige, magti-thank you lang tayo tonight. Tsaka, ipe-prep ko lang po yung Team Ricey para sa mangyayari bukas. Grabe, ang ganda ng badge, no? Ano nakalagay sa Heart Me? Best team ba? Ay! Regional top team. Wait lang, screenshot natin. Te Carlo, pa-Heart Me ka naman. Screenshot mo naman. Regional number 1. Ate Lins. Ayan, original top team. Honey, ay 1,200 viewers. Welcome po. Pwede po patingin ng top mo. Ito na po siya. Wala na po akong mapapakita. Mary Grace. Ano gusto niyong song, guys? So, nga na, Sir Nick. Sir Wash, what's up? Welcome to my stream. Sige, parami tayo ng viewers. Spencer, Maxel. Hello! Ang ganda ng Heart Me natin. The Journey by Lea Salonga. Sige. Dahil request ni Sir Nick to. Ito yung una kong kinanta sa singing contest, 4 years old. O, sila nabirit. Ito, The Journey lang, graduation song. Thank you po, Aris, lit dudes. Ayan, let's go. 2,000 viewers, 100 na lang. Power tap at pa 1 million tayo, guys. Magsi-celebrate tayo against all odds. Ala, yung warm-up natin pauwi na. Pero kaya yan. Sige, comment lang. Yes, 8 a.m. ang start tomorrow. Pero gabi tayo lalaban. Joanne, Team Donut, hello. Sana may boses tayo. Half the world is sleeping, half the world's awake, half can hear the hearts beat, half just hear them break. I'm but a traveler in most every way, and ask me what you want to know. Lit dudes, bukas na tayo mag-vote. What a journey it has been, and the end is not in sight, but the stars around tonight, and they're bound to guide my way. When the shining on my life, hi Winkle, I can see you better day. I won't let the darkness in. What a journey has been. Uy, salamat po sa mga nag-give. Kaway-kaway naman yung 2,500 viewers natin. Comment A. Kaizen, Francine. I have been to sorrow. Hello, Miss Ricey. Okay lang po ako, Ate Winkle. Kamusta? Yes, hashtag Ricey number 1. Where I'll be tomorrow. Kayo kasi, pinag-number 1 nyo tayo. Can only guess through the darkest desert, through the deepest snow. Forward, always forward I go. What a journey it has been, and the end is not in sight, but the stars around tonight. Ano? Screenshot, Ate Carl. Bound to guide my way. When the shining on my life, I can see a better day. I won't let the darkness in. What a journey it has been. Thank you po. Forward, always forward. Onward, always up. Catching every drop of hope in my empty cup. What a journey it has been. What a journey it has been. Anong oras live mo bukas? Susubukan ko po kasi 3 times a day. Kasi 8 a.m. po ang start natin ng global campaign tomorrow. Sige, pakiramdaman natin. Ma'am Divina! Nako, ang aking number 1 si Ma'am Divina. Maayong gabi po. Yan, gusto ko lang po pasalamatan at i-shout out si Ma'am D. Grabe yung support number 1. So, makikita nyo pag nag-heart me kayo, nakalagay doon Regional Best Team. Kaya maraming salamat po sa mga nag-support sa akin last July 28. Daghang salamat, Ma'am D. I love you. Tomorrow, the campaign will start 8. Pero same strategy siya guys, kasi 9 to 10 pa rin tayo makakabawi ng sobrang daming points. So, tayo ng number 1 sa Philippines. So, medyo napipressure ako. Pero alam kong regional na to eh. Ilagay natin yung Pilipinas sa sa ranking. Oo. Aris, thank you. Nakapagpahinga naman po ako. Ma'am D, request na po. Yes, fighting tayo, Ate Winks. Kaya natin yan for regional. Malay nyo, makapasok tayo top 50. Kasi 70 plus countries times 20 each. So, ang kalaban natin nasa 280, 300. Susubukan natin bukas. Tatry ko po mag-live ng morning and then 6 to 8. And then best team 9 to 10. Doon po tayo babawi. And then no cap na po to times 2 ang regional campaign gifts, which is the Fest, yung tig-piso crown for 99. And yung isa, yung regional na anong tawag doon, yung celebration, community fest celebration worth 299. So sana marami mag-support sa atin. Kayanin natin. For tomorrow 8 a.m. start at mag-e-end po siya ng August 5, birthday ng anak ko. Ng alas 8 din po ng umaga. Ma'am D! Saan po si Kuya Kel? Baka busy po eh. Ano pong song ang gusto natin? Ma'am D, request na po. Salamat sa lahat ng mga nag-heart me, sa lahat ng mga nagsiyagang pumindot ng best team. Grabe, sobrang worth it ng outcome natin. Top 1 sa buong Philippines. Kaya, shout it out. Mama Japson! Jane, hello. Russell. Ayan, original best team. Ayan. Mary Joy. Totoo na to, mawalang instrumental to. Sige, anong mga request natin? Again, soul odds pala yung kanina. Mataas to pero sige, try natin. Babawi, nakapagpahinga naman po ako kahapon. Mary Joy. So, see you po tomorrow, global event. 9 to 10 p.m. po. Kahit doon na po kayo pumunta, 9 to 10 for best team times 25 po siya ulit. And then, all community fest gifts times 2 points. All gifts are counted na po. How can I just let you walk away? Just let you live without a change. When I stand here taking every breath with you. Oh, you're the only one who really knew me at all. Mom, worry. How can you just walk away from me when all I can do is watch you leave? 'Cause we've shared the laughter and the pain, and even share the tears. You're the only one who really knew me at all. So take a look at me now. Well, there's just an empty space, and there's nothing left here to remind me. Just the memory of your face. Oh, take a look at me now. Well, there's just an empty space, Sir Christopher, and you coming back to me is against the odds, and that's what I gotta face. I wish I could just make you turn around and see me cry. There's so much I need to say to you, so many reasons why you're the only one. Uy, salamat sa mga nagtatap. Grabe, 3,000 viewers. Kaway-kaway po tayo dyan. Well, there's just an empty space, and there's nothing left to remind me, just the memory of your face. Now take a look at me now, 'cause there's just an empty space, but to wait for you is all I can do, and that's what I gotta face. Take a good look at me now, 'cause I still be standing here, and you coming back to me is against all odds, is a chance I've gotta take. Take a look at me now. At like ko bukas na i-reserve natin, times 2 yan tomorrow, starting 8 a.m. Hi sa 3,000 viewers. Hello po. Kadita, sa lahat ng mga nagsisend, actually nag-live lang po ako para ma-warm up po tayo for tomorrow. So, global na po to. So, dadali natin ang ating Team Philippines sa global 70 plus countries. Pero tingnan natin kung saan po tayo aabutin. Pero naniniwala ko best team tayo eh. Oo, makikita ko po kayo bukas. Ma'am Jayhan! What time is that? East Coast, US. May request si Ma'am D. Wait lang. Ano po request? Hindi man napin. Hindi ko man nakita. Ma'am D, ano po yung song request natin? Ayan na si Ma'am Divina. Ang aking number 1. Sige, ano po bang song? May nakakita po ng comment ni Ma'am D. Ma'am J, Sir Christopher, welcome. RN. Mag-drop na ako gift kasi kinanta mo against all odds. Sige po. I wanna know. Sige po. I wanna know, Joe. Copy, Ma'am D. Sana may hierarchy nito. Oh, night me off my feet. Nag-aaral ka na? Naku, wala pa po. Engineer, grabe naman po yun. Thank you. May pag-galaxy, grabe available na siya, no? Sige, try natin, baka makapag-daily ranking tayo. Kaso wala po siyang karaoke na pambabae, so try ko po ito. Ma'am D, let's go! Dagang salamat kaayo, and let's celebrate lang tonight and mag-prep tayo for tomorrow. Global na. Slower version mo para mas astig. Wala din po eh. Original lang. Kamusta classmate? Wait. Crisostomo. Kailan? Kailan po yan? Try ko po bukas ng 8 a.m. Pipilitin ko po magising na maaga. Sir Whoosh, hold on. I'm sorry po, I don't know the East Coast time. But I think it will start 12 midnight in the US po talaga. Or your standard time because in my country, Philippines, it's +8 GST. Yes. So all regions, Malaysia, Singapore, and all countries po will start at 8 a.m. Southeast Asia. High school DOST. Kaklase mo ako. Ay, pasensya na po. Hello, classmate. Ma'am Divina, this is for you. Pasensya na po, may selective memory na yata ako. Salamat sa mga nagsisend, engineer. Thank you. 4,000 viewers, grabe naman po. Bukas po, see you, 9 to 10. Ilalaban natin ang Pilipinas. It's amazing how you knock me off my feet. Every time you come around, I get weak. Oh yeah. Nobody ever made me feel this way. You kiss my lips and then you take my breath away. So I wanna know what turns you on. Yeah, I like to know. I like to know. I believe. So in case you didn't know, Sige po. Girl, you never understood what you were. And you never took the time to make it work. No, no. Baby, I'm the kind of man who shows concern. Sir Rouge. Any way that I can please you, let me learn. So, I wanna know. Thank you po sa mga title gifters. I wanna know. 8 p.m. Sir Bush, East Coast. I'd like to know. So, make you smile, babe. Tell me what I gotta do to please you. Baby, anything you say I do. 'Cause I only wanna make you happy. From the bottom of my heart it's true. Tell me what I gotta do to please you. Baby, anything you say I do. 'Cause I only wanna make you happy. From the bottom of my heart it's true. Oh, no, yeah. Title po nito, I Wanna Know by Joe. And top 20 po ng Philippines ang papasok sa Global. Ate Roach, thank you po sa support kagabi and to everyone who supported me last 2 nights ago pala. Oh, so I wanna know.
What turns you on.
Hi, Nas. I wanna know.
So I can leave.
Ate D.A. And I want to know. Yeah. Good evening, Mo. Oh, yeah. Oh, tell me, yeah. One last time. Tell me what I gotta do to please you. Baby, anything you say I do. 'Cause I only wanna make you happy. From the bottom of my heart it's true. Tell me what I gotta do to please you. Baby, anything you say I do. 'Cause I only wanna make you happy. From the bottom of my heart it's true. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I'd like to know. I'd like to know.
So I can be your tomorrow.
I wanna know.
I'd like to know.
No. Thank you po.
Be the one who always makes.
Salamat, lovely Fiona. Sa lahat po ng mga nag-heart me. Ma'am Divina, thank you po sa pag-request nito. Salamat. Request lang po, Ma'am Di. Kantahan lang po tayo tonight. Ayan, sa lahat ng mga viewers ko, kahit ipunin nyo na lang po yung gift for tomorrow global, okay lang. Basta gusto ko lang din po mag-thank you talaga and alam ko na miss nyo ako. Or baka alam ko lang. Jing09! April Dogio! Thank you so much. Ano pa po bang request natin dyan? Sige, i-comment natin. Amliv! Comment po, comment po. Mayang gabi sa inyong tanan. DY Shin. Ayan, sa lahat ng 300,000 taps. Parang kaya natin ipa 1 million yan ng 10 p.m. Naniniwala ako sa kakayahan nyo, guys. 3,000 viewers tayo. Maayong gabi, Chloe. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Sige, mga R&B tayo, mga old school. Sir Christopher! Thank you for the galaxy, sir. I'm looking forward to see you po tomorrow. Global na. Thank you po for the gift, sir. Appreciate it. And see and let me try bye-bye. Okay, hanap tayo ng ano. Mariah Carey. Sige. Glenna, hello. J2B, thank you sa Fire Ele. Thank you po. Kumakanta ka ba ng mataas? Subukan ko po. Your best friend, your baby, your man or your lady. Put your head way up high, 'cause we will never say bye. Mama's, daddy's, sisters, brothers, friends, and cousins. This is for my people who lost their grandfathers. Lift your head to the sky, 'cause we will never say bye. As a child, there were times I didn't get it, but you kept me in line. I didn't know, I didn't show up sometimes on Sunday mornings, and I miss you. And I'm glad we talked through all them grown folk things separation brings. You never let me know it, and you never let it show, because you love me, and obviously, Mom Kid, if you were with me face to face, I never knew I could hurt like this. And every day life goes on. I wish I could talk to you for a while. Miss you, but try not to cry. Whole life, time goes by, and it's you that you reach a better place. Until I get the world to see your face and be right next to you. But it's like you're gonna soon. The hardest thing to do is say bye, 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 bye. Bye, 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 bye. Bye, 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 bye. Sir Jonathan, thank you ulit. And never got a chance to see how good I've done. Never got to see me back in number one. Wish that you were here to celebrate together. I wish that we could spend the holidays together. I remember when you used to tuck me in at night with a teddy bear you gave me that I held so tight. Thought you were so strong, you made it through whatever. It's so hard to accept the fact you're gone forever. I never knew I could hurt like this. And every day life goes on. I wish I could talk to you for a while. Miss you, but try not to cry as time goes by. And it's you that you reach a better place. Until I give the world to see your face and be right next to you. But it's like you're gonna soon. The hardest thing to do, David, without you. Sino po tong David? Sige, titingnan ko po, Ma'am D. Sige, pakinggan natin. Hala! Sana alam ko tong without you. David Guetta. I won't run, I won't fly. Ito ba yun, Ma'am? I won't... Ay! Ma'am, di parang alam ko to. I-ano ko lang po, i-recall ko lang.
Without you, never run.
Sige po. Pakinggan ko lang po siya. Yung verse lang po. I won't run. Saan na yung verse niya? Medyo mabagal lang po yung yung internet ka po. Okay.
I can't take one more sleepless night without you.
Okay po. Ma'am D, try ko po yung best ko.
Without you.
David Guetta featuring Usher. Okay po. Ma'am D, para sa'yo to. I love you. Fan Mitch. Hello. 4,000 viewers. Hello po. Welcome. See you tomorrow. Global 9 to 10. Best team po tayo. 4 times 25 points. Arenta. I can't win. I can't write. I will never win this game without you. Without you, I am lost, I am fine. I will never be the same without you. Without you, I won't I can accept that we're estranged without you. Without you, I can't quit now. This can't be right. I can't take one more sleepless night without you. Without you, I won't soar, I won't climb. If you're not here, I'm paralyzed without you. Without you, I can't look. I'm so blind. I lost pride of Philippines. I lost circular thinking. Without you, without you, hey. Papa Mom, see you tomorrow, guys. Let's raise our flag tomorrow, Philippines Global. I'm gonna be live 8 to 10, 6 to 8. And please, be present 9 to 10 best team. Ayun po yung pinakamataas na hatak bukas. Thank you. Without you. Thank you po. Ma'am D, thank you for the request. Request lang po, ma'am. Ngayon ako babawi kay Ma'am D sa mga songs. Kay 4 days man ta, nag-campaign man. Uy. 8 to 10 po tatry ko para umarangkada agad tayo then 6 to 8. Tapos 9 to 10. Bale 5 hours. Subukan ko po. Pag hindi pa po ako tulog, didiretso na po ako dito. 8 to 10. Oo, papahatid na lang ako kay Carla. Ano po ba yung song natin? Cruel Summer. Naku, hindi ko po to alam pero gustong-gusto ko lang siya pinapakinggan. Yan. Ate Likes, Irreplaceable. Okay, sige. Lista ko po. Cruel Summer. Okay. Paano ba to? Tulungan niyo ako. Mali-mali ako dito. Let's go. Ricey, hello. Good evening po. Welcome po sa live ko. Team Ricey, Power Tap. Fever dream high in a quiet of the night. You know that I caught it. Bad boy, shiny toy with a prize, you know that I bought it. Killing me slow, out the window. I'm always waiting for you to be waiting below. Devils on the dice, edges on their eyes. What doesn't kill me makes me want you more. And isn't you, the shape of your body is blue. The feeling I got it is ooh, oh, oh, oh. It's a cool summer, it's cool. That's what I tell them, no rules. Unbreakable heaven, but ooh, oh, oh, oh. It's a cool summer with you. Tama ba yun? Hang your head low in a glow, the machine, I'm not dying. Thank you po. You see that we just go it up in these trying times, we're not trying. Got the headlights, summer's a night. I'm always waiting for you just to cut the bone. Devil roll the dice, edges on their eyes. Need to be the last to know. Oh, isn't you? The shape of your body is blue. The feeling I got it is ooh, oh, oh, oh. It's a cool summer, it's cool. That's what I tell no rules. Unbreakable heaven, but ooh, oh, summer. It's a cool summer with you. I'm drunk in the back of the car, and I cry like a baby, got me home from the bar. So I'm fine, but it wasn't true. I don't wanna keep secret just to keep you alive. Stuck in through the garden gate every night that summer just to steal my faith. Asking for whatever it's worth. I love you way that's the worst thing you ever heard. Grinning like the devil isn't you. The shape of your body is blue. Feeling I got it is ooh, oh, oh, Pachi! Diriman siya. Ate Pachi, thank you. Ayan, invite ko lang po kayo ulit sa lahat po ng 3,000 viewers. Yan. Ito po yung bagong gift na bukas ay times 2. So, 6,000 points po siya sa global. So, sana po makapunta kayo tomorrow. Start na po ng 5 days global campaign po natin. So, kaya natin yan. Lalaban tayo. Ate Pachi, dagang salamat po. Thank you so much. Pag may mga request po, please let me know. Ma'am Divina. And sa lahat po ng mga nagsisend po sa akin ng gift, thank you. Let's go, Best Team Ricey. Kayang-kaya natin yan. And 8,000 na lang papasok na tayo sa daily ranking. So let me know po kung ano yung mga request. Ay, irreplaceable nga po pala. Sige, let's go. Kantahin po natin ito. Magandang gabi po. Kabalo ka, Bisaya di ay. Kasabot po. Kasabot. Pero diri ko, nakakaintindi lang po. Christian song. What specific Christian song, sir? Sir Whoosh, maybe you have a specific request. Beyonce. To the left. Let's go daily ranking and see you tomorrow. To the left. To the left. Everything you own in the box to the left. In the closet, that's my stuff. Yes, if I bought it, please don't touch. And keep talking that mess, that's fine. But you walk and talk at the same time. And it's my name that's on the jack. So remove your bags, let me call you a cab. Standing in the front yard, telling me how I'm such a fool. Talking about how I'll never ever find a man like you. You got me twisted, you must not know about me. You must not know about me. And I could never know you in a minute. Matter of fact, in a minute. Baby, you must not know about me. You must not know about me. I can never know you much more. Don't you ever for a second get to thinking you're irreplaceable. So go ahead and get gone. Call up that chick and see if she's home. Oops, I bet she thought that I didn't know. Mastermind, hello. Cause you untrue. Rolling around in the car that I bought you. Baby, drop them keys. Hurry up before your taxi leaves. Standing in the front yard telling me how I'm such a fool. Talking about how I'll never ever find a man like you. You got me twisted, you must not know about me. You must not know about me. I could never know you in a minute. Matter of fact, in a minute. Baby, you must not know about me. You must not know about me. Ate Steffi. Guys, sige, kahit isave nyo na po yung diamonds nyo bukas 9 to 10. Pero tatry ko po ng 8 to 10 a.m. pag nagising ako, then 6 to 8, then 9 to 10. Yes, 8 to 10 a.m. and then 6 to 8 p.m. and then 1 hour 9 to 10 p.m. Ba't lagi ka po nakahawak sa earphones mo? Secret. Hello! Salamat po, Ate, alas love one. Yan, medyo nabibingi po kasi ako dito sa left. To the left. Pwede ka po mag-whistle. To the left, everything you want in a box to the left. Hindi po ako biritera. Hindi ko po kaya mag-whistle. Pasensya na po. Tsaka kailangan kong you must not know about me. You must not know about me. I can never know you in a minute. Matter of fact, in a minute. Baby, you must not know about me. You must not know about me. I can never know you much more. Don't you ever for a second get to thinking. Iba na ba yung top natin? Let's go guys, 15 minutes, 1 million. So, ayan sa mga hindi po nakakaalam, sa lahat ng mga co-Filipinos ko, na mga viewers, at sa mga supporters po, sana mag-unite po tayo tomorrow. 9 to 10, best team po ulit yun. Pero tatry ko po mag-live ng 3 times a day pag kaya po. Opo, kasi medyo mahirap yung 5 hours a day pero kakayanin natin yan. Yan, salamat po sa mga nagki-gift and I'm really looking forward guys to see you tomorrow. Salamat! Onti na lang, magde-daily rank na tayo. 8,000 na lang, let's go! Any Christian song? Sir, I didn't know the songs you mentioned. But, okay. Let me think. Kasi parang nakanta ko na yung mga lilim. Oceans. What a beautiful name, Jaira. Ano pa ba? Anong gusto nyo? You say? Wait. Sige, tatry ko po. Medyo mataas to eh. Yan, medyo kailangan po kasi bumuelo tomorrow. Pero lalaban tayo dyan. Okay, ito, you say. Okay. I keep finding voices in my mind that say I'm not enough. AM, 9 to 10 PM po. Every single lie that tells me I will never measure up. Hello, let's go 1 million times. Am I more than just the sum of every high and every low? Ate Enora, remind me once again just who I am, because I need to know. You say I am loved when I can't feel a thing. You say I am strong when I think I'm weak. And you say I'm held when I am falling short. And when I don't belong, oh, you say I am yours. And I believe, oh, I believe what you say to me. I believe the only thing that matters now is everything you think of me. Uy, sa lahat ng mga nagsistay, thank you. 800k na tayo, guys. And you, I find my worth. In you, I find my identity. Thank you. You say I'm loved when I can feel a thing. You say I am strong when I think I'm weak. And you say I'm held when I am falling short. And when I don't belong, oh, you say I'm yours. And I believe, oh, I believe what you say to me. I believe. Tatry ko po ng 8 to 10 kasi start po talaga siya ng 8 a.m. eh. Taking all I have and now I'm laying it at your feet. Thank you. Sige, mag-fast song tayo after. You have every failure, God, you have every victory. You say I'm loved when I can feel a thing. You say I am strong when I think I'm weak. And you say I'm held when I am falling short. And when I don't belong, oh, Ate Pachi! I love Interstellar! And salamat po, Ate Pachi! Pag may mga request po kayo, please let me know. Salamat, ate. Oh, I believe. Yes, 8 to 10, and then 6 to 8, and then ang pinaka-importanting time po bukas yung 9 to 10. Kasi PM po yun, ha. Ate Pachi! Grabe naman. Thank you po. Daily number 86 na tayo, guys. Let's go! Yan, sa 2,300 na hindi umaalis. Grabe po. Thank you. Salamat. Yan, mga loyal best team Ricey yan. Yan, salamat po sa mga nag-gift and nag-share ng blessings. And Ate Pachi, alam ko na. Kakantahin ko yung request mo. Ikaw pa ba? Alam kong favorite song mo to, Ate Patch. Kaya, para sa'yo to. Parang mataas yung original nito. Sige. Tatry ko po. Mag-chill na lang. Baka mapaos tayo eh. Bukas tayo Favorite ko din to, Ate Patch. Yung movie nito. All of my life, I thought I was right, looking for something new, stuck in my ways like old-fashioned days, but all the roads led me to you. The house that you live in don't make it a home, but feeling lonely don't mean you're alone. People in life, they will come and they leave, but if I had a choice, I know where I would be. Through the lows and the highs, I'll stay by your side. There's no need for goodbyes. Now I'm seeing the light. When the sky turns to gray, there's nothing to say. At the end of the day, I choose you. Now I found the strength to make a change and look at the magic I found. No matter the name or where you came from, 'cause no one has much figured out. The house that you live in don't make it a home, but feeling lonely don't mean you're alone. I finally found where I feel I belong, and I know you'll be there with wide open arms. Where choose niyo ko bukas, ha? Through the lows and the highs, I'll stay by your side. There's no need for goodbyes. Now I'm seeing the light. When the sky turns to gray and there's nothing to say, at the end of the day, I choose you. Choose Team Ricey Tomorrow Global. Ate Pachi, thank you. Pag may mga request. Yan, pag nandito po si Ma'am D, request lang po. See you tomorrow, 9 to 10 p.m. Pinaka-importante po. Through the lows and the highs, I'll stay by your side. There's no need for goodbyes. I'm seeing the light. Through the lows and the highs, I'll stay by your side. There's no need for goodbyes. Now I'm seeing the light. When the sky turns to gray and there's nothing to say, at the end of the day, I choose you. Yes, ikaw na Uy, mga ka-A. Mastermind, thank you for dropping by. And thank you for the support. Lahat po ng mga nag-support last July 25 to 28. Thank you for helping me na makuha po ang regional best team at the Community Fest Live Icon number 1. Thank you po. Salamat! Sa lahat ng mga nag-gift, thank you. Daily number 85 ako. Actually, gusto ko lang mag-promote pero grabe. Sobrang thank you sa mga nag-share ng blessings. And sige, pag may mga request po, please let me know. Comment nyo lang po, itatry ko kakantahin. Pero iisiyan ko lang po today Para bukas. Yes, pinaka-importante po, 9 to 10 p.m. Best team. Ayun po tayo ulit, magpipindot tayo ng 5 days. Pero sanay na tayo dyan. Kayang-kaya na natin dyan. Sun and Moon! Ma'am D! Sige po. Tatry ko po kung may hierarchy to. Bebe. Char. Eto, meron po. Sana hindi naman sobrang taas. Bebe. Char. Arjuna! Yeah. Baby, you're my sun and moon. Girl, you're everything between. A lot of pretty faces could waste my time, but you're my dream, girl. You make flowers bloom. Girl, you made the stars alive. And I don't know what I did to get lucky like this, but it sure feels fine. So you give me love and affection, I give you all my protection. I'm trying to stay by your side till the day I die. And you give me all of your love, and then I give you all my trust. I know you'll never betray me and leave my side. Oh my baby, you're my sun and moon. Hey, girl, you're everything between. A lot of pretty faces could waste my time, but you're my dream, girl. You make flowers bloom. Girl, you make the stars alight. And I don't know what I did to get lucky like this, but it sure feels fine. Cause I see your face when I'm sleeping. I wake up grateful to breathe in the air you fell through. I wrote you a lullaby, so solid. I songs to sing on your pillow, swift as a swing on a willow. My sweetest words, I'll meet birds in your perfect sky. Oh my baby, you're my sun and moon. Girl, you're everything between. A lot of pretty faces can waste my time, but you're my dream, girl. You make flowers bloom. Girl, you make the stars alight. And I don't know what I did to get lucky like this, but it sure feels fine. Baby, you're my sun and moon. Girl, you're everything between. Hey, a lot of pretty faces could waste my time, but you're my dream, girl. You make the flowers bloom. Girl, you make the stars alight. And I don't know what I did to get lucky like this, but it sure feels fine. Oh my, oh my, oh my. Oh my, oh my. Yeah, oh my, oh my. Baby, you're mine. Thank you po. Ma'am D, thank you. Ayan, enjoy lang kayo guys sa 3,000 viewers. See you tomorrow, 9 to 10 p.m. Best team. Pero, ang pinakaiba lang po niya, yung best team po kasi hindi na siya daily. So, cumulative po siya, naiipon po siya ng 5 days. Kaya, matatansya po natin siya tomorrow kung kaya natin makapasok ng top 100 global kasi may certificate po ang top 100 and then top 10 trophy global live Global Live Icon Trophy pag top 10. Pero papalag po kaya ang Pilipinas? Malalaman po natin bukas. Kaya see you tomorrow, 9 to 10 sharp po yun. 9 to 10 magbe-best team po tayo. Ayan, salamat. Sige, feeling ko mga hanggang 10:30 lang po ako para makapag-rest din ako for tomorrow kasi kailangan natin sipagin to. Pag walang tsaga, walang nilaga. Manding! K-Thrift Shop! Welcome, maganda gabi po sa lahat ng 3,000 viewers. Thank you so much na nandito po kayo sa live ko. And let's go 1 million subs, 10 p.m. na guys! Manuel, thank you. Sige po, anong song? Ma'am T, request lang po. Ibawi natin yung kanta kasi puro tayo. Vote nyo na po. Ganun. Nang 4 na araw, kaya babawi tayo today. Tas bukas, ganun ulit, 9 to 10. Zachary Remy. Sige, ano po yung mga song natin dyan? Tingnan ko po. Thank you Thank you po. Dami, hello. Sige. Yung mga subscribers ko po, baka gusto nyo mag-request. And baka gusto nyo rin sumali sa team ko. Magkakaroon kayo ng badge, stickers, emotes. Prioritize ng request para kayo naka-VIP, guys. Kaya kung ako sa inyo, pindutin nyo na yung nasa lower left, subscribe. Dagdagan na natin tong subscribers natin. Yan, sa lahat ng mga subscribers, i-flex nyo naman po yung mga stickers niyo. Tingnan naman natin yung mga stickers na yan. Sige, hello. Hindi ko po kasi masyadong alam yung fast car eh. Himala. Parang, sige, tatry ko po ah. Hindi ko masyadong gamay ito. Baka epic fail to. Himala. River Maya po ba to? Hello? Sige, tatry ko po. Himala. Ayan, thank you sa mga nag-gift. See you tomorrow po. Team Ricey. Wait, hindi ko siya makuha. Okay. Pangarap ko'y makita kang naglalaro sa buwan. Subok lang po ah. Inalay mo sa akin na gabing walang hangganan. Hindi mahanap sa lupa ang pag-asa. Nagigiusap na lang, himala. Kasalanan ma'am, humingi ako sa langit ng isang himala. Kasalanan ma'am, humingi ako sa langit ng isang himala. Hilingin natin yan bukas. Pangarap ko makita ang liwanag ng malam, naglalambing sa iyong mga mata. Airdropping. Di mahagip sa lupa pag-asa. Nagigiusap sa buwan, himala. Kasalanan bang humingi ako sa langit ng top 10? Charot. Kasalanan bang humingi ako sa langit ng isang himala. Oo nga eh, mismong tapos ng campaign birthday ni Angel. August 5, 8 a.m. So, pag pumasok tayo kahit top 50 sa buong mundo, okay na yun. Or top 100, may certificate na tayo, guys. Salamat! Ilang days na lang mag-birthday ng anak ko. Kaya salamat po sa mga nagdadrop pa. Pang buffet. Cha. Kasalanan bang humingi ako sa langit ng 2 years old, isang himala. Kasalanan bang humingi ako sa langit ng isang himala. May anak ka na? Opo. 34. Charot. Isa lang po. Alam, bakit may puzzle to? Wait. Ayan! Isang himala. Ayan, thank you po. That was Himala by River Maya. Pag may mga request po, how would you feel? Gusto ko lang po yung kantang yan, pero hindi po kasi ako nag-Ed Sheeran eh. Baka mapahiya po ako. Iba pa. Ano pa pong mga request natin? Hindi ko po masyadong alam to, chorus lang. Sige, tingnan natin. Kung sakali Michael Pangilinan. Okay. Try ko po to. Ryle! Ayan, thank you po. 90, daily rank 90. Thank you so much sa mga nag-give. Kaya kayo original nito. 3,400, magandang gabi po! Welcome to Team Reci! Kung kailan ka nagkaanak, lalo ka ba? Thank you po. Buhay ko ay sa'yo naman. Hindi magbabago ang isip ko. Tunay ang pagtingin, sana'y gayon ka rin giliw. At kung sakali mang ikaw ay mayroon ng ibang minamahal. At kung sakali mang tuluyan nang mawalay ang pag-ibig mo sa piling ko. At kung sakali mang magdusa, ito'y aking matitiis. Maghirap man o maghinagpis, baka sakaling mahal mo ba ako. Sunshine ka, thank you sa mga nagkikip. Hindi mo pa maunawaan pag-ibig na inalay ko'y sa'yong tapat. Pagkat ako ngayon nangangamba sa'yo, giliw. At kung sakali mang ikaw ay mayroon ng ibang minamahal, at kung sakali mang tuluyan nang mawalay ang pag-ibig mo sa piling ko. At kung sakali mang magdusa, ito'y aking matitiis. Maghirap man o maghinagpis, baka sakaling mahal mo pa ako. At kung sakali mang ikaw ay mayroon ng ibang minamahal, kung sakali mang tuluyan nang mawalay ang pag-ibig mo sa piling ko. At kung see you tomorrow ha. Please, wag kayong mawawala. 9 to 10 p.m. best team. Yun ang nakakapagpa-boost ng ranking natin sa global. So, see you there. See you there. Yan, tomorrow. Maya, Inday, hello. Yan, wag po muna ako magpipiki kasi magpo-promote ako. I-decline muna natin sila. Pasensya ka na. Pasensya na po. Yan, sige. Baka mag-last po ako, 4 or 3 songs para makabuelo po ako if ilalaban ko yung 8 to 10. Joy Dizon! Feeling ko si Mom di gising na 8 to 10. Ako po tulog pa. Maya, thank you! What's your blush po? Ito lang po gamit ko. Yan. Bawal ako magbanggit pero ito siya. Pretty sexy, ganun. Ito yung tatak niya. Mura lang to. Kaya-kaya nyo to. Andito na siya lahat eh. Andito na siya lahat. Ayan, eyeshadow, blush. Ito lang gamit ko. Powder, lipstick. Pero yung concealer, hindi masyado. Link niyan. Wala po akong link. Hindi ako magbibenta eh. Yes guys, best team, global. 9 to 10 p.m. Huwag kayong mawawala. See you there tomorrow. Dapat mag-start ka ng 4 p.m. to 10 p.m. straight. Baka mamatay po ako na. Ilang oras yun? 6? Iniisip ko nga 6 to 12 na lang kaya ng gabi kasi peak talaga yung viewers ng ng 6 p.m. Sige, tulungan nyo ako, PM nyo ako, admins. Ayan, or sila Ma'am D pag may suggestion. Pag sinagot ko kasi bukas para baka po 2 days pa lang po, paus na ako. Sige, it might be you. Mama Jepping ako 20. Charot! Ayan yung makeup artist ko po. Ayan si Mama Jepson. Wala rin viewer, di ba pag umaga? Puyat po kasi. Kaboses or kasalita niyo po si Lavi po. Lavi na lumpo po. Wait lang. Ang layo po. Be, Lavi na lumpo yun. Nadapa. Ganon, Lavi nadapa. Hindi ko kayang tawag sa ilong niya. Anyway. Sige. Baka Lavi PWD na po. Ayan, sige. Laban natin dyan. It might be you. Guys, space cheese, let go. Ay, diba? Natawa kayo? Naalala ko si Mokang. Hindi ko po hindi ko alam to. Palalaki kasi to eh. Kulit mo po kasi. Ikaw pa rin. Tingin po sa tattoo mo, ito lang po eh. 6 to 8 tas 9 to 12, no? Time, I've been passing time, watching trains go by. All of my night, lying on the sand, watching seabirds fly, wishing there would be someone waiting home for me. Sir Kenneth, hello. It might be you. Thank you po sa chuchu. It's telling me. See you po. Sir Kenneth, bukas 9 to 10 po ulit. Global na po. Looking back as lovers go walking past, all of my life, wondering how they met and what makes it last. If I found a place, would I recognize the face? Something's telling me it might be you. Yeah, it's telling me it might be you. So many quiet walks to take, so many dreams to win, and with so much love to make. 9 to 10. All of my life. Thank you po. Please po, tama na po yung love you po. Hindi po ako makakanta dito. Ayoko na. Salamat po. And there's so much more no one's ever heard before. Something's telling me it might be you. Yeah, it's telling me it might be you. And I'm feeling it'll just be you all of my life. Baby, it's you. Baby, it's you. I've been waiting for all of my life. Baby, it's you. Baby, it's you. It's you. Been waiting for all of my life. Keisha, thank you. Hello. Happy daily number 86. So sana makita-kita po tayo ulit bukas sa Jenny Cobwery. Yan, mag-out po ko ng maaga para makapag-ipon po ako ng boses bukas kasi same-same na naman po ako nun. Please vote for me. Ganon. So, sige, mag-reserve tayo. Yes, salamat sa nagko-comment. Tomorrow, July 31, 9 to 10 p.m. po. Please, wag kayong mawala. At i-ready ang ating Heart Me at Best Team. Mama C, let's go! Hindi ko po alam yung Together Forever eh. Ang alam ko po yung Together, Together, Together. TikTok Universe. Yan, ano pa po ba? Foolish Heart. Sige. Mag-ano na rin po ako magla-last 2 songs. Para makapagpahinga, hindi kayo mapuyat. And laban tayo bukas. 9 to 10 p.m. Pero tatry ko po 6 to 8 then. Tas break lang 1 hour. Tas 9 to 10, let's go. Kasi wala din pong viewers kasi ng umaga. So kung kaya naman po natin bumawi ng gabi, doon na po tayo. Excuse me. Foolish Heart. Hello. See you tomorrow po. 9 to 10 yung pinaka-importante po. Sige, last 2 songs po ako. Lovely. I need a love that goes. I don't want it unless I know that it's fast enough. Someone somehow will be there, ready to share. I need a love that's strong. I'm so tired of being alone. Will my lonely heart play the part of the fool again? Before I begin pulling start, hear me go and stop before you start calling. Pulling start, hit my warning. You've been wrong before. Don't be wrong anymore. Ay, trita ko sa. Good evening po. See you tomorrow 9 to 10 p.m. ulit. Feeling that feeling again. I'm playing a game I can win. Love's knocking on the door of my heart once more. Think I let her in before I begin pulling start. Hear me calling, stop before you start falling. Pulling start, hit my warning. You've been wrong before. Don't be wrong anymore. Pulling start, yeah. Thank you guys. Sige, ano last song natin. Bukas po huwag kayo mawawala. You've been wrong before. See you tomorrow. 9 to 10 p.m. and 6 to 8 p.m. po. Bukas lalaban po tayo. Aking Team Rising. See you po bukas 9 to 10. Falling short, hear me calling. Stop before you start falling. Falling short, hit my warning. You've been wrong before. Don't be wrong anymore. Ihanda ang mga daliri. Dito ka lang. Sige, tatry ko po. For my last song, dito ka lang ni Moira. Takas po nito eh. Sige. Bukas babawi po ako sa inyo ng mga song. Papahinga ko lang po yung aking vocal cords para ready tayo tomorrow. Oo. So, maglalasong lang po ako. Once again po, 6 to 8 p.m. Pero ang pinaka-importante po na makapunta kayo is 9 to 10 for best team times 25. Yes, global na po ilalaban natin. Paano pag nakapasok tayo sa top 10? Parang, kayang-kaya. Let's go! Sige, sakto, 10:30. Ika'y dumating na parang ihip ng hangin. Ako'y nagkahinga dahil sa'yo. Tadhana may di natin pwedeng alamin. Liliwanag ang daan tungo sa'yo. Parang taas. Dito ka lang sa puso ko. Kung ito'y pag-ibig nga, takot ay di nadama. Dito ka lang palagi sa aking tabi. Lahat kayang harapin kung dito ka lang. Di mapigilan lungkot na natarama. Para bang dahong ligaw sa hangin. At nung dumating ka, parang magandang panaginip. Kasama ka sa buwan tuwing gabi. Thank you po. Dito ka lang sa puso ko. Kung ito'y pag-ibig nga, takot ay di nadama. Dito ka lang palagi sa aking tabi. Lahat kayang harapin kung dito ka lang. Ang buong lakas ay ibibigay ko kahit masaktan. Ika'y pupuntahan kahit saan ka man. Kung kailangan aking mahal. Ate Ali, dito ka lang kahit puso ko pagod at parang di na kaya. Mamahalin pa rin kita. Dito ka lang palagi sa aking tabi. Lahat kaya nag-iipon na po siya. And all community fest gifts tomorrow, no daily, no cap. Yes, no daily cap po yan. Diba? Times 2. Times 2 tayo bukas sa laban tayo. Ate Ali, sana makapunta po kayo sa lahat ng mga Team Ricey ko, admins at sa 2,900. Mag-a-alarm na ako! Ate Ali, panalo natin to. Oo. Panalo talaga natin tong global na to. Kahit top 50, oh. Sa 300 na kalaban, makapasok ka lang ng 100. Parang, ganon. Diba? Sino kaya? Ayan, magpapaalam lang po ako. Thank you so much sa lahat ng mga nakinig po sa akin. Ayan, nag-promote lang po talaga ako for tomorrow. Para makapunta po lahat ng Team Ricey. Baka gusto nyo mag-invite ng mga friends sa ating mga kakilala po. Guys, tawagan nyo. Ate, alisan mo sa akin number mo. Tawagan kita. Yes, good night guys. And see you tomorrow. Pinaka-importante po 9 to 10. Ganun po ulit ang gagawin natin. Hindi mo na manonood ng K-drama. O, ipahinga nyo yan guys. Ipahinga nyo. Itabi nyo. Tulog na. Ate Ali, kailangan namin na isa pang kamay. Isang pindot. Yes, relax muna natin yung boses ko. Once again, thank you so much sa lahat ng mga... Sige, Ate Ali, try ko IG, tawagan kita. Muna kayo dyan. Salamat!
I got broads in Atlanta.
Ka muna,
Credit cards in the sky.
Thank you guys! See you tomorrow!
Legacies, family. Legacy, look like a panda.
Aztec Board, see you, engineer! Bukas sa... Saan makapunta po kayo?
Legacy.
Irresistible Charm. Isang katulad mo lang. Boss, thank you so much!
Selling ball.
Boss, engineer! Okay lang, bawi ako bukas, 9 to 10. Apo. Promise, naglasong na po kasi ako. Pero babawi po ako tomorrow. Kakantayin ko po Fix You, first song. 9 to 10 p.m. Hey, legacy. Good night, guys. See you tomorrow. 6 to 8. 9 to 10. Salamat po. Thank you po. Bye-bye. Good night, Ate Ali. See you, Team Ricey. Ma'am Divina, if you're watching, I love you and thank you po. At sa lahat ng mga solid since day one, thank you. Bye-bye. Ingat po.